setting icon missing on Android, get the setting icon back. So if your settings icon went missing on your Android phone, right? First of all, the settings app cannot be uninstalled, so don't worry, it's just maybe hidden somewhere. Now what you can do is, depending upon the phone you're using, you have your launcher. In the launcher, you're not being able to find it, and if your launcher allows you an option to hide apps, just try to go to the hidden apps section. In the case of my Samsung, I can just hit the three dots option, go to settings right there, and I can go to this hide apps on home and app screens, and if I've hidden the setting app, I can uncheck the settings app from there, and the settings app will be brought back right there. Now if you still have access to your app drawer, right, your app drawer also has the ability to search for apps, so you can search for the settings app there and you'll see the settings app pop up. If you find the settings app but the icon is not there, you can just basically long press on it, and then you can select this option called add to home, which will add a shortcut of the settings application to your home screen. The other way you can also access settings is from your quick settings right here. You'll always find the settings icon on the quick settings of any Android, so you can try to find from there as well, but it cannot be uninstalled, so don't worry, you can try to give it a restart or update your software to fix those kind of bugs. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.